Okay, this is where the magic starts to happen, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to import the same lead capture page and the same thank you page, that bridge page that we redirected to inside of your Leads Leap account for editing, right? I'm going to show you how to populate both of these pages with a click or a few simple clicks of your mouse. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly how these pages will become available to you right now for editing, which we're going to talk about, and how you guys can get this thing set up in no time flat. If you haven't already, guys, you can click this button right here and then go back to the actual Leads Leap members page where you guys can actually sign up if you haven't already to create your free account. But by all means, guys, make it happen and follow along in this video, right? So as you can see, when I click, that button is going to take me to my Leads Leap account, and I'm going to log into my account, and you guys will be able to do the exact same thing, by the way. And what I want you to do, to pay special attention to the left-hand side of your members area. It will look exactly like the one you're looking at now. I want you guys to scroll all the way down until you get to the actual page builder. Scroll all the way down from the top until you get to the actual page builder, and then I want you guys to click Page Manager. When you click Page Manager, guys, now you're going to be able to set up a new campaign inside of the platform. We set up campaigns all the time, and they're as simple as extracting and moving around share codes, guys, which makes this so simple and easy to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab those share codes right below this video, and we're going to show you guys how to pop those share codes into this campaign and how you guys can get this set up.